So it's a small convenience format store. It's a Costcutter, which is run by the Barry Group in Mallow, which is an Irish wholesaler. My name is June Murphy. I opened the store in around 1990 with my husband Dennis. So we're here about 34, going on 35 years.
So the reason the B5 was sold to June Murray was for size, practicality, and it was perfect fit for her store. It was the first B5 sold in Europe by TOMRA Collection. With June, I would have known her personally. I live here in Macroom and she would have sponsored my local soccer team when I played with them.
We have it since early January this year. It's a TOMRA machine. They installed it just after the New Year. We wanted to get it in and get it settled where we were going to put it because we had little space. Our space is tight, but we managed to fit it in nicely. And now everybody just brings it back. And as well, they bring it back to us because we're small and there's no queues. In the bigger stores downtown, you could have a huge queue. You might have to wait 20 minutes. But they tend to bring it maybe once a week, so they might have a lot and then they get back maybe 6, 7, 8, 10 euros sometimes. And generally speaking, they will spend that money in store. Our machine is given very little trouble. Anything that will be sustainable to the environment is an absolute no-brainer. We change all the light fittings and all that to make it more sustainable and for sustainability for the customers as well.